Born from fire and extreme heat, the foundation of every Fortuner begins in a state of molten power. Precision at the speed of light, where robotics meet the rugged durability of Toyota engineering.
Watch the full breakdown and subscribe now to see how we build the world's toughest Fortina Sensator SUV.
This is the front line of human health. Stay tuned and subscribe for the full breakdown.
It all begins deep within the earth, where the raw strength of the Fortuner is first unearthed. Thousands of tons of raw material are harvested daily to feed the global demand for precision steel.
Back her up, keep it coming. Head straight.
Human expertise guides the machine, ensuring only the highest grade of ore moves to the next stage. Massive logistics networks move millions of tons of material toward the manufacturing heartland. Every component, from raw ore to high-grade steel, is tracked with surgical precision. The journey spans continents, converging at the site where the Fortuner will take shape. Security and logistics work in tandem to maintain the relentless pace of production. Once inside, the raw elements are ready to undergo their high-tech transformation. Welcome to the heart of the operation, a high-tech fortress where 20,000 parts converge to create a single machine. Discipline and precision are the first tools used on the assembly line, starting the moment the shift begins. In a world of micron-level tolerances, even a single grain of dust is a variable that cannot be ignored. Behind these doors, the raw steel meets the force of 4,000 tons of hydraulic pressure. Every movement is monitored, every second is optimized, and the transformation is ready to begin. Before it can be shaped, the raw steel must be perfectly leveled and stripped of its industrial oils. A clinical level of cleanliness ensures that every weld and paint layer will bond with total integrity.
Scan complete. Materials within tolerance.
Every square inch of material is verified. There is no room for error in a Fortuner's chassis. Speed and power collide as the steel is partitioned into the building blocks of the SUV.
Initiating cut sequence.
The stage is set. The raw material is now ready to take the iconic shape of the Toyota Fortuner. Precision trimming ensures every panel meets the exact aerodynamic and safety specifications. Automation at this scale allows for a level of consistency that human hands simply cannot match. Here, human intuition and robotic power combine to build a structure that can withstand the toughest terrains. For the first time, the individual parts are gone. What remains is the unmistakable skeleton of a Toyota Fortuner. 5,000 individual welds transform separate steel panels into a single, indestructible safety cell. The signature body-on-frame construction of the Fortuner is locked together, ensuring legendary off-road durability. Aerospace-grade laser technology creates a seamless finish that is as strong as it is aesthetic. Technology verifies what machines create, leaving no room for a single weak point. The steel skeleton is complete. Now, it moves to the most sterilized environment in the facility. Total immersion. An electrostatic bath ensures that even the hidden surfaces are protected against the elements for decades. Every seam is hermetically sealed, creating a quiet, refined cabin experience even in the harshest environments. Advanced atomization technology creates a finish that is as durable as it is mirror smooth. In the pursuit of perfection, human touch remains the ultimate final check. Baked at extreme temperatures, the Fortuner's skin is now ready to face sun, salt, and sand.
This is the marriage, the moment the powerful drivetrain and the high-strength body become one.
Complex electronics and human ergonomics are integrated into the cabin with surgical accuracy. Every seal is a barrier against the elements, ensuring a quiet and climate-controlled interior. Comfort meets utility. The versatile 7-seater layout is finalized by hand for maximum reliability.
Lifeblood injection complete. Fortuner's ready for its first breath.
The lifeblood of the machine is injected, preparing the Fortuner for its very first breath. Every engine is brought to life here, undergoing its first heartbeat under the watchful eye of master technicians. Speed, braking, and balance, the Fortuner must prove its performance meets the standard of absolute reliability.
Precision is non-negotiable. Every line must be perfect, every gap symmetrical.
Total isolation. Even in a tropical deluge, the interior remains a sanctuary of dry, quiet comfort. Validated and verified. The machine is no longer a collection of parts, it is a Toyota. Every vehicle is wrapped in a protective layer, ensuring its showroom quality finish remains untouched. From one to many. The scale of production is a testament to the global trust in this engineering icon. Secured and ready, these machines are now bound for dealerships across the continent.
All set. Roll 'em in. Keep it tight.
Whether crossing oceans or deserts, the journey of the Fortuner is just beginning.
Last one. Hold position. Secured and parked.
And this is how modern factories produce the Toyota Fortuner from start to finish. Precision, power, and people.
The legend of the road starts here, in a world of steel, fire, and absolute precision. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.